Yeah, the barber shop right now. Me get some clothes on there right there, so I try to start out. Me wear a little more for male party. I next day this. Last night, me go New Jersey. Me never really vlog it, cause me I vlog too much partying. And then sometime when me I vlog too much partying, YouTube pull up copyright. Just show me in a party, me get 1 or 2 dance and keep it like that. Me not gonna show too much broke out unless it's necessary. But today, I run go across county mall for Mel birthday thing look more. Me know when me I go get her, cause Mel, when me know you go watch this, Mel different. So me know when me I go get her, you see me. But me I forget Mel something, you see me. But today we're supposed to link up with everybody today. As in we go see Famous, Killer Walk, probably Natalie, Nice. I'm not sure about Pink yet, but me chat to Pink. I don't know if I'm gonna see him today yet. Everybody way in New York, the whole New York crew. Me I try me couldn't see them in each vlog or one vlog where everybody in I'm want to try shoot something with everybody. Me I go try, cause everybody's schedule different as me that say before. Everybody's schedule different. We are grown up now. So the time we don't have to do certain things, we have to deal with kids or job or other little thing. But just know, Dante gone to Florida for 1 day for do one wedding. So me there in crib right now, I build till him forward back. Hello. Yes. Happy birthday, Melissa.
Okay.
She did a good job.
Good?
Alright.
Thank you. I'll wrap it up for you.
Alright. So vlog girl, while me there so at the mall, me no left my phone in a Uber. So me I look for the woman, me just call back there. My number and she answer. So me I look for her right now. If we go for my phone. And on my phone we have my cash app and bank account and everything. I should have that phone here last. Now me I try to find her. I'm so far back. I never left my phone nowhere yet. This is strange to me. So now me there wait for the woman. She said she there stop and shop where Red Lobster there. So me there wait for her to pull up. How the freak me do that? I wasn't thinking, you know. Bro, smell gift. Me left mail gift. I have to go back to the mall. Two me left my phone, me rush out, left me fucking shit when me buy for me. Jesus. So vlog girl, me end up go back for the gift. Them wrap it and everything. See them Melissa. I know you're gonna like this. You know? So vlog girl right now, me reach my Uber. And I go back at and take cream. I'm gonna take it and get cool. Should I get a jacket? My phone. I have a jacket at the house still. So vlog girl, me just forward back from the mall and take a nap. I'm alone there as me say Dante gone. So me take a nap on a night now. Famous say my call off my phone as we speak. But then what I do, I wait for me. I say me do that vlog before me come out. We about to do the link up now. So no stay tuned. So vlog girl, I go outside. I try to get some things.
Look at me.
If you enjoy our party, booba out there so. I take a picture and be so.
Wrong, you know?
Everybody out here.
Catch your plane, brother. Catch your plane.
You can't catch it. That now catch it out.
Me light skin?
Tell him what
Black girl right now we're there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We in New York, Trabass a ball for cold always.
Yeah.
Every time come to New York, I'm a ball for cold, but
Jacket thick.
you know what I mean?
Thick now.
We glad same day back on YouTube. Me soon I sound glad. We
Yeah.
glad, everybody glad. Right now, we just have to make sure say him not stop again.
Alright.
We have to make sure. Alright.
We have a shooter and I cut. We
You
can't
like
shoot him.
it?
Ta-da-da! So, ladies and gentlemen, we're with the birthday girl. Oh, you know what I shoot. Yeah. So I got her a gift and all of that. You gonna like that. I know you gonna like that.
Oh my God.
Megan! Hi! Booba right there, so smoker. Hi! Hi guys! I call her that, she knows that. Hi. Yeah, want me now?
Yes.
Alright, sit on the carpet.
On the
I want
carpet?
it, sit on the carpet. Hi! Oh, people is here for real. Oh, sorry for the noise. Hi, I'm good. Come, sit. Oh. Sit down! Come on, man. I know you like colognes.
Yes, I do.
So I got you something special. I hope I'm the only one get this. Come here, come back.
How do this?
Just tear it off. Fuck it. Just.
No, that's not how you open the gate. You taking a video. She gotta present it.
I need a.
Okay.
Somebody have a scissors?
Where's my knife?
Yeah, please. Wait, I think I got it.
Got it?
I got it.
Alright, go.
Can somebody record me with the filter?
Come on, go. She got you. Come on.
I got you. Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna tell you when to go ahead.
Go.
No, not yet.
This probably chicken on my teeth.
No, you're good.
Right?
Jesus.
Alright,
Me feel my done.
Alright, go ahead.
This is from Trabass. Oh my god, good girl. I love good girl.
Alright,
Best
open it.
smelling fragrance ever.
I can't stand you.
Open it. Show them what he said.
Oh my gosh. It has my name on it. Oh my gosh.
Take it down, look
You
for
want me
the
to
thing.
cry?
Turn it down.
Oh my god.
I know you're not gonna use that shit.
That is the.
Oh my god.
That is
Happy
the-
birthday, Melissa. Hi, Melissa.
I did that. Wait, vlog girl, I still come back.
Are you vlogging? Cheers to Melissa.
Cheers.
It's your birthday.
Cheers to me.
Hey, big shout out. Megan cooked the food. I forgot to show y'all the food. Let me show you what's left of the food. This is what's left of the food. I forgot to show y'all. Damn, they ate it off. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good night. I need one of these for the vlog. This is lit. We should have karaoke night one night, you know? It's lit. I got my shooter right there in the cut.
I'm done.
Chick bam. Alright, let's go. Come here, Melissa. It's her birthday. And I gotta say this for the vlog. I wanna say happy birthday. Hope you live to see many more.
Thank you.
A long time I know Mel and a long time I know say Mel mad.
Really?
I appreciate my mad friend, you know, a whole lot. I'll go to war for her. Big up yourself for your 48, but I mean 36. But
I'm 25.
I want you to sing. Give them something. It don't gotta be long.
I'm done. Lights, camera, strike a pose, and if someone hears ya, put lipstick on, yeah, high heels, now you're 6 feet tall, and everybody knows who you are, and nobody cares if you're out taking. Nobody cares if
Well, you gotta be right by the light. Damn.
I'm gonna make a wish.
Okay, go.
Damn, it's cool, my chin.
Amen.
Listen, make sure make our wish. Ooh, something bad.
That's good. Just that wish.
Don't be
Yeah. We are playing a drinking game? Never have I ever. You think we're in high school?
Yeah, alright, see, you can't even lie.
So you're not gonna make me a plate?
You're not hungry. Stop.
I'm hungry.
No, you're not.
I'm hungry. You're not gonna make me a plate?
Trabass, be
Wait, kill her off. Why you gotta kill my vibe, bro? No, not that way there. No, not that way there. No, not that way.
What if he was happy? That way?
Where y'all chatting on to? It's Ryan in the fucking building. Pink in our building. We having a nice time on Mel's birthday. Mel can't drink. I'll be commentating on this vlog right now with this mic. For sure. Wait there.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Who are you? Yo, I got 2 mic. No, that's why. May I cut that out of the video? Go.
Oh, yeah, you scared. Alright.
Fuck camera! Fuck camera!
This is what I made.
This is a cake when I go bake. Boba. Me and I go to the supermarket, you know.
Someone get a nice cake.
And that me I say, this never ice.
Cut the cake, Mel.
More piece of this to go home with.
Cut the cake for your birthday. Hold it here.
Yeah, cut it. Cut it.
You want icing on it? Icing on it?
No, it will take too long. You icing it? No, I don't want icing it. Just cut it. Can't put mine in my food plate. Megan, where you put my food?
I got it. I got it. Oh, sorry.
Happy birthday to you. You put your hand in the doo-doo. Don't taste it, just
Don't
waste.
waste it.
Yeah. You feel tough, yo?
No, you look nice.
It is moist.
Very moist.
Thank you, Megan.
You're welcome.
Hope me met the vlog world seed.
Huh?
Hope me met them seed.
You pull?
Yo, so Megan cooked this food. Mel do the macaroni. And this
Fried
is a,
rice, crab salad, chicken wings.
this is what I got. It's my thing. Come back back. Just turn over your whole cake
Yes?
in my plate.
God.
It, hey, you want like to go the same place? In my belly. Everybody have your piece like cake.
Right?
You put egg in there? You could have put the vegan egg in there.
I put organic egg. Organic egg.
Organic food.
Damn teeth.
You can't go on,
Tell the truth.
You want a little ice cream though.
You don't need no ice cream.
Bad.
You need little ice cream, man.
No.
It's so moist. Oh, God.
Yeah, man, you need little ice cream. Look more, I'm ready. Say hey guys, this is my big sister.
Let me see you eat the strawberry.
She freaky. Strawberry freaky, you know.
Crap, eat the strawberry, not the cake.
Feel how we are.
Bite the strawberry with the cream on top.
Let me tell you about.
Alright, now it's time for the strawberry.
Give me that coffee before you do it.
Let me see how you bite into that.
You make it so look like?
No, see, strawberry freaky down. Strawberry freaky down.
Definitely yes.
May I tell them? You must have strawberry out. Looking at your beard.
You got a little stuff left over. You got to pour it up. It's the cake.
Yeah. You have to say something sporty, you know.
You ate it nice and clean. You ain't missed nothing.
And Mel, she sound just like Mel. Three of them sound alike. Well, three of them, yeah. Me meet her 2 sisters them, me never know. But 3 of them sound alike. Mel, her big sister.
Big sister.
Megan, the chef out there playing video. Megan, look here!
Casey Cuisine.
Megan, you see?
Hey guys.
A little version of them. The whole of them sound the same. You see me? I'm not thinking food slap. Mel, just on him right round the clock on your birthday. Me not catch it good, but alright, big up yourself for your birthday, my G. I'll see you again.
And we got complimentary yellow tail.
You just do though. Okay. You flush the toilet? Hey. You flush the toilet?
What the hell? That's the question. I did. Are you sure? You wiped the butt. Nigga, I didn't do
Put some of this in your pocket.
What is wrong with y'all?
Bring it home.
Oh.
I'm not serious about yours. What if we sell you back the money for a better part? I'm not opening it.
So vlog world right now, we just left Mel crib. Over there so, version there so.
You eat the cake right now.
Buckler, the car shut off.
Gas price up, you know, bro.
Yes, right.
Oh,
Man, fuck up the cake where
Yeah, press cast button now, go on.
that me I say.
Probably pause one always do.
So yeah, we just left Mel house on our pre-little birthday get together. It was fun. How are you going?
Yo.
The car now move him and I rev up the engine, you know. Something wrong. Cause while ago it just shut off.
This you have to warm up the car before you do the road.
That's true. It is cold. Me drunk a little bit. And me have my food. I'm going over Dante to fuck it up. You see me?
So where you drop your food?
May I take you up back on them, you know? I take you up back on them, mate. Sure. But we are in the vlog right now, so. In the vlog right now, so. So soon tomorrow again with the next. Not tomorrow. Soon again with the next vlog. A mad thing.
My mother used to say, yeah, watch out for bad mind friends. Yeah. And daddy did used to say, watch out for people when not used to things. What them used to say, and that me used to do. People can't change, so me not change them.